Hello everyone, this is Gill here. Uh, as you guys remember, I installed a LED headlight on my motorcycle there, and my friend bought a motorcycle too, and he wanted me to help him install uh, that headlight. He bought still something different from the store. That's the old one. Today we'll install a new headlight LED. Ordered it from Amazon, and I'll help him put that one on. Let's unbox it and see what's in there. It's a owner's manual, installation guide. So list of the stuff which you get in the box. That's the light itself. And that's the wire we get with the light. So now we'll just need to remove that one screw. We don't have to do anything. There are like two more screws, but you don't have to unscrew them. So with the star drive screwdriver, unscrew that, just one, and just pull the light out. There you go. Yeah, the bottom part goes there and the top part goes here. That's the thing that holds the light tight. Take all the plugs off. We have to remove these ones here. They are the one thing that holds the headlight assembly with the outer ring. Just take a flathead screwdriver and be careful, it might spring up and hit you in the eye or something, or you might get in your yep, see that? Just wear safety glasses. Like I'm not wearing them, but just be careful when you do that. It might spring up and hit you in the head or something. Just be careful. I will keep these because we'll need them later on. See that? It's not. It's dangerous. Be careful with that. I'll take the light off of that ring, and the ring is what we'll use. But this one's done. We don't need it anymore. So what we'll do is to just plug this one in. We don't have to use the other wire which came with it because that's for Harley Davidson. The one on the bottom there, the small bolts wiring we took off, we can just tape them off because we don't need those. Or you can just leave them as they are. If you don't ride in the rain, it's safe to just tape them off. Put that and align the headlight. There's because once you put the springs on and the light is not aligned, like it's not the way you want, you have to take everything off again. So it's better sometimes, see these ones there, the 3 pins. Sometimes I just put a black tape to mark which way I want the light to be up. That one there, put it in. Yep, it fits in perfectly. There you go. Last time when I made mine, I just put a tape on it just to keep it in place. Now put these holders back, the pins. That's the only thing that will hold the light with the outer ring. It will keep it in place, and you have to make sure that the light doesn't move when you install the pins there. Once if it moves, you have to take all of them off again, and then just double check if it's how you want it. Space them apart, equally, so it will hold. I think the person who had this motorcycle earlier, he took those pins off and never put all of them back. Because when I was changing mine, I had a lot more pins than that. And plug it in like that. And just before installing it in, just make sure it works. Low beam, high beam, working okay. Just make sure it works okay before you install it in. Put the bottom one the pin in. There you go. And now screw it on, tighten it up a little bit, and that will hold the light to the motorcycle. There you go. And just turn the headlight on, low beam, and that's the high beam. There you go. That's all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much. Everyone have a nice day.